I'm going to be showing you guys how I grill my chicken, season my chicken before I put it in the oven. So here is my chicken. So I'm going to put some turmeric, onions powder, and thyme, and chicken seasoning, and some of this. And then I'm going to add my pepper, carrots to it. So now I'm going to pop it in the oven to grill for at least 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So when it's ready, I will get back to you guys. So now I'm going to pop the tray inside the oven. When it's ready, I will bring it out. So now the chicken is ready now. You can see how beautiful it is, how colorful it is. So it's ready now. This is my salad. That's my salad. This is pepper and tomatoes. And I'm going to add black pepper. Pepper and tomatoes and black pepper. Just gonna add my onions powder, a little bit salt, I'm going to be showing you guys today how I cook my potatoes salad. So you can see I have my potato peeled with this. Then I chop it up with my knife. So then I just wash it and put them in the pot. So here is the remaining one. Put them in the pot so you can see them going inside the pot there, salt to it. Then I'm going to leave the potato to boil for like 10 minutes. So I just cover it up, and I'm going to leave it to boil for at least 10 minutes. The potato is ready now. See, the potato is ready now. I'm going to add my black pepper to it. I like using the whole black pepper and grind it myself, just the way I'm doing it now. So I'm adding my pepper to it now. You can see my pepper. So here is my salt. Here is my mayonnaise, low fat. You have to mayonnaise. So I'm going to, I don't want it to be mushy, so I'm going to match it now. Add my peas to it. And I mix it together. So it's ready now. So that's how I eat my potato salad with that is the complete meal now. There I have chicken, vegetable, potato salad meal, complete meal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the #1 to receive my video when I upload.